Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cheetos Mac and Cheese bold cheesy flavor. This here does come in a nice microwavable cup. I'll show you that. Okay, we're going to open it up here. And you see it has the cheese packed there on top. You take that out before you put in the water in there. And that's what the dry noodles look like. Just add water. Okay, we added water to the fill line. You don't want to add any more or it will overflow. Okay, after you microwave it, you just add the cheese from the cheese pack and stir it all in. Okay, once you stir it all in, you're good to go. This cheese mac does taste pretty delicious. Nice little snack, and I hope that this review helps.